Hi, I'm Andy Towers with Christie Broadcast and Professional Video. We're here at InfoComm 2025 and we're showing the Spyder-S video compositor. Right here we have Spyder-S, which is running the screens behind me. As you can see, we have 8 displays up here. Each of them are UHD, they're 4K. So the horizontal resolution here is 15360 pixels by 4320. So lots of pixels, and it's all being run by Spyder-S. So the Spyder-S units are completely configurable. Unlike monolithic processors, you only buy the inputs and outputs you need. So to get to a large processing system, you can just stack units together and aggregate them with QSFP cables. That's how they're connected together. And when you do that, any of these picture-in-picture windows can move anywhere in that canvas. So we're really excited about it. The rental and staging community and fixed installations that need this kind of compositing they're really liking it, and it's going to be a great product for us. Thank you. The website is www.christiedigital.com. Thank you.